Scale is a way to control the size of a particular element without actually controlling its layout. Additionally, scale can be used for other things like flipping items over on a reflection point. To start, we'll create our state and create an animation and create another animated value. Because 0 scale would be non-existent, the item would not appear on our screen, we'll default 1 because that is going to be what scale defaults to, meaning it's just going to be a normal size of whatever the layout defined. We'll then go set up const animated styles, and scale is going to be another transform object, so we'll say transform, which is an array, and pass in scale and say this.state.animation. And then we'll pass our animated styles into our box, and then create our start animation function for our touchable without feedback. And we'll say animated.timing and say this.state.animation. We'll say toValue of 2. So basically our item will double its size. Say duration of 1500 milliseconds and then call start. And now when we refresh and we press on our box, we can see that it grows to twice the size. Besides growing larger, scale also allows you to only scale the X value. So if we refresh this, we can scale just horizontally. Or if we switch to scale Y, it'll then scale vertically. We'll flip this back to Y and change this to -2 rather than 2. Additionally, we'll add some text inside of our animated view. So we'll say this side forward. And then we'll also have to close our animated view. So now when we refresh, we will have some text inside of it. However, because we're animating to -2, what's going to happen is this is going to animate out and then reflect and be the opposite direction. So when we press this, it is now flipped upside down. This works for both scale X and scale Y. So if we change this to scale X, we can see that it does a flip card animation to 2 times the size, but reversed. Same goes for scale Y. When we refresh, it'll flip over its horizontal axis, and then it will be scaled to 2 times its size, but in reverse.